Hello, my name is Miss Lewis and I'm thrilled to introduce you to the new IT qualification that we are offering from September. It is a Level 2 OCR Cambridge National and it is a practical subject that is absolutely suitable for all students. Students will always ask, why should I study IT? Well, the Level 2 Cambridge National in IT is specifically designed to help students develop their knowledge, understanding and practical skills of all things that could be used in the IT sector. It is also really interesting and relevant to the real world. This is a brand new specification, so they have updated it, taking into account the interests of young people at the moment. It is also a well-respected qualification suitable for you to take with you to college, universities and employers. I've listed on the screen there a list of possible occupations which you may choose should you do this course in the future, and they include IT consultancy, IT technician, network managing, cybersecurity, software engineering. The list is endless, pretty much any profession relating to the use of IT. Or it could just be an enjoyable course that will fit with all of your other options. This course is assessed by two different methods. The first is one written exam, that's an hour and a half long, and it is around the theme of IT in the digital world. And then there are two pieces of what we would have called coursework in the past, but are now called internally assessed tasks. Each of these units I'm going to go through in more detail in just a moment. The first unit I would like to introduce to you is the using augmented reality to present information. I'm sure you're all aware that AR is one of the biggest technology trends at the moment and is only going to get bigger with AR ready smartphones and other devices all set up to allow us to have an interactive experience of a real world environment where objects inside the real world are enhanced by computer generated information or images. I'm sure we've all played around with Snapchat filters, which I've played around with myself, as you can see on the screen. These are the kind of things that we will be creating for ourselves in this module. So by the end of the unit, you will be able to design an augmented reality model prototype. You will actually create that prototype and then you will test and review it. This is a really fantastic opportunity to get hands-on experience with this software. The second unit I'd like to introduce to you today is the IT in the digital world. This is the only unit of the three that is assessed by exam. In this unit, you will learn about design and testing concepts for creating an IT solution or product and the uses of IT in the digital world. This includes design tools, human-computer interface, which we use in everyday life, data and testing, cybersecurity and legislation, digital communications, and the Internet of Everything. So the Internet of Everything brings people together, processes data and things to make network connections more relevant and valuable. It's a really interesting unit and I'm sure you will enjoy this one. The final unit I would like to introduce you to is the data manipulation using spreadsheets unit. This is where you will learn to plan, design, create, test and evaluate a spreadsheet solution to meet a client's requirements. This is a really interesting unit and the skills that you will learn in this unit you will take with you for the rest of your life. This unit also follows on from the small piece of work that you did in Year 9 where we focused on basic spreadsheet skills. Finally, I appreciate that this is a bit of a whistle-stop tour of this course and there is so much more that I could tell you. If you do require any more information, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me at jlewis@cowsec.org and I will get back to you. Or come and chat to me in DE15 if you want to find out anything more, even if it's just to say, tell me a little bit more about just one of the units. Any small, tiny question, I'm more than happy to answer. Thank you for your time.